So you have your iPad, but you're not online. Maybe there's no Wi-Fi, or you're not particularly fond of slow, unsecure public Wi-Fi. No worries at all. Today I'm going to show you how to get online with low-cost pay-as-you-go data. No Wi-Fi or lengthy contract required. On your iPad, open Settings and select Mobile Data. You're then going to select Truphone, and a box will appear showing available data plans. Select iPad prepaid data and choose your plan. I'm going with 3 GB for £3, and that's going to last me 30 days. You'll also notice you have the option to auto-renew. Now, checking out is simple. Enter your email address and payment information, and you're all set. Within seconds, you have a secure data connection, and Truphone plans are available to keep you connected in 44 countries. This is all made possible through the power of eSIM. If you're curious about eSIM and how it works, then check out this video. Then you can show off your newfound eSIM knowledge at Trivia Night. If you found this video helpful, then be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy content. Bye for now.